James Raynor. I bring tidings of doom.
Zeratul.
I have pierced the veil of the future and beheld only oblivion. Yet one spark of hope remains. You will hold her life in your hands. And though justice demands that she die for her crimes, only she can save us.
Wait a second. You're talking about Kerrigan. It's been 4 years. You show up out of nowhere.
Time is short. You must understand. The answers you seek lie within. Study it well. The fate of creation hangs in the balance.
Nice to see you too. I've heard of these Ehon crystals before. Supposedly they allow you to relive another person's memories. Whenever Zeratul's uncovered, he was desperate for me to see it too. Well, here goes nothing. Holding these artifacts is making me nervous. Can you tell me any more about them?
It's interesting. The one from Zil is different than the others. However, I think all of them once constituted a single device.
You mean they make something bigger?
It would seem so. It's just a theory, but there's an attraction between the artifacts we've collected. A kind of harmonic resonance. Given the points of contiguous translinear alignment, I think they'd be drawn together like magnets under the right field adjustment.
Okay. Well, don't adjust anything just yet, Doc. I like them aligned just the way they are.
I see we have a new acquisition. Is it a Protoss device?
That's right. But I wouldn't mess with it if I were you. It's a Kadaran Ehon crystal. It's a memory storage device. Lets you experience what other people have seen or done. It can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing.
Yet you don't fear it at all. You're a fascinating man, Jim Raynor. You know more about the Protoss and the Zerg than any of the experts I've read about.
We're rocking some serious heavy metal now that we got siege tanks.
Yes, sir. The comforting thunder of the big guns. Well, comforting when they're on our side.
Yeah, these newer tanks have better guns when they're on the move. And reinforced armor.
So long as they still got the range in siege mode, the rest is just gravy. Between siege tanks and bunkers, we can hold the line against just about anything.
Came to the right place. Had any visitors lately?
I don't know what you're talking about, Tosh.
Oh, I think you do, James Raynor. Something was on this ship just now. I still smell it on you. Protoss. Interesting.
Whatever you think you know, you just keep it to yourself. I hear you yapping about this, and I'll toss you out the airlock. So now we've got 3 of these artifacts on my ship. When are we supposed to hand these damn things over?
They got their hands full right now. The Zerg are about to invade Tirador, where Mobius' main research center is. I don't reckon we'll hear anything from them until they relocate somewhere safe.
Wonderful.
This is Donnie Vermillion, live from UNN. Tonight, the Zerg invasion. The battle so far. The Terran Dominion is holding firm under Zerg aggression. Our industrial complex has stepped up production on all fronts. Enlistment rates have risen within the penal system, and the Marine Corps is ready to get in the fight. The Zerg won't know what hit them.
Donnie, has there been any word on when we start pushing the aliens back?
Kate, if I revealed that, I'd be giving away vital Dominion secrets.
You think the Zerg watch our broadcast?
I know they do, Kate. I know they do.
Well, you heard it here first, folks. This is Kate Lockwell for UNN.
You ain't gonna believe this, but I just saw Zeratul on the ship.
How much did you have to drink tonight, sir?
He was here, Matt, and he was hurt. On the run from something.
Where is he now, sir?
I don't know. But he ain't on the ship anymore. He gave me an Ehon memory crystal, and he was desperate for me to study it. I guess he wants me to see what he's seen.
Raynor, the hounds of the void are closing in. I impart my memory, my very essence, into this Ehon crystal, so that you will see what I have seen, and that the future may yet have hope.
Zeratul. What the hell have you gotten yourself into?
Friend Raynor, long has it been since we stood together against the Swarm. Since then, I have wandered the void in solitude, seeking an ancient prophecy, rumored to foretell the return of the Xel'Naga. My sojourn led me to a remote world known as Ulan, where I discovered fragments of the prophecy. Yet I was not the first to find them. It falls to you now, old friend, to relive my memories and believe. The Zerg swarm came, as was foretold. And the Protoss, firstborn of the gods, rose to fight them. Now, the Xel'Naga that forged us all are returning. But do they come to save? Or to destroy?
Eventually.
Your very presence defiles this place, Kerrigan.
Do you hear them, Zeratul? Whispering from the stars. The galaxy will burn with their coming.
Perhaps. But you won't live to see it.
Please. Our petty conflicts mean nothing now. A storm is coming that cannot be stopped. Fitting that we should face oblivion together.
Never!
Fate cannot be changed. The end comes. And when it finds me, I shall embrace it at last.
The prophecy is uncertain. There is always hope. Higher will be restored. I will fulfill my calling. En Arudin. The prophecy was divided into fragments, each kept at separate shrines. I must gather them and depart this world quickly. This chasm is vast. It is fortunate that I can phase through the shadows to the other side. My allegiance is yours. Glory to the firstborn. Honor command. Spore crawlers can detect my presence. I should stun them with my void prison. In the service of ire. En Arudin Rashagal. My allegiance is yours. I will fulfill my calling. Glory to the firstborn. Ire will be restored. En Arudin Rashagal. Honor commands. That spore crawler can detect me from across the chasm. It must be destroyed. Sukdash Salak. Ire will be restored. En Arudin. That overseer can see through my cloak. I'd best stun it with my void prison before crossing this chasm. The first fragment of the prophecy. Soon all will be made clear.
Why not surrender yourself to oblivion, Zeratul? Wouldn't it be better to end your struggle now than witness the final, agonizing moments of your species?
The foreboding prophecy. So much for Kerrigan's reprieve. Sukdash Salak.
For Shakuras.
This of ire.
You require my skills.
You address me? En Arudin.
Greetings, Exalted One. We are here in the service of High Templar Karas. He is nearby.
Your presence is most welcome. Let us keep moving. Ozak Maknol.
Permit us to destroy their defenses before we proceed.
The demons of the past. Sukdash Salak. My bird.
I am the cold is the void.
You address me? Honor commands.
We are one with the shadow.
I will erase. My burdens weigh heavily. You address me? Glory to the firstborn. I will be redeemed. That patrol of broodlords must be dealt with cautiously, or we will be torn asunder. In the service of ire, my burdens weigh. En Arudin Rashagal. I will erase the demons of the past. You address me? Ire will be. I will erase the demons of the past. Ire will be. My burdens weigh heavily.
Cold.
You address me? My allegiance is... Prepare for an aerial attack. Brace yourselves, my brethren. We must not hesitate. En Arudin Rashagal. Ozak Maknol. You address me? Sukdash Salak. Shozak Maknol. You address me? The Queen of Blades built hatcheries here. She seeks to subvert this sacred world. I shall put an end to that plan. I will erase the demons of the past. En Arudin Rashagal. Sukdash Salak. En Arudin Rashagal. My allegiance is yours. Sukdash Salak. Honor, command.
I am the voice.
You address me. My allegiance is yours. In the service of Ire, we must not hesitate. Glory to the firstborn. I will erase the demons of the past. The second fragment of the prophecy. My task is nearly complete. Shozakma.
Your hope is an illusion, old fool.
If you can so easily read my mind, Kerrigan, you'll see that I'll never give up, so long as hope remains. Careful now. Kerrigan has set guards to bar our way. It could be a trap. We should take them out carefully, one at a time, or risk being overwhelmed. And we must not hesitate. Shozak Maknul. Higher will be my burdens weigh heavily. Honor commands. And the banelings spew acid when they die. Stalkers, take them out from a distance.
Skills. We are one condition.
You address me? Glory. I will be redeemed. Shozak Makno. You address me? In the service of Ire. I will fulfill my calling. Sukdash Salak. This hatchery must be destroyed if I am to keep the Queen of Blades from subverting this land. And my burdens. I will erase the demons of the past. My burdens weigh heavily. Sukdash Salak.
I am the voice.
You address me? My allegiance is yours. En Arudin Rashagal. In the service of Ire. My allegiance is yours. I will fulfill my calling. Spine crawlers. Kill them before they can take root and attack. Must not hesitate. En Arudin Rashagal. We must not hesitate. Higher. I will erase the demons of the past.
High Templar Karas is nearby.
Honor commands. En Arudin Rashagal. Higher will be restored.
Antaro Tassadar, Prelate Zeratul. I am High Templar Karas. thy force tracked the Queen of Blades to this world, yet we know not what she seeks.
Kerrigan and I were both drawn here to uncover an ancient prophecy. With your aid, I pray we can discover it before her.
It is an honor, Great One. Lead on.
Glory to Shozak Maknul. I've placed the Ultralisk in a void prison. Bring it down, Karas.
Zeratul, can you destroy the airborne Zerg?
We must not. I will fulfill my calling. Glory to the These Nidus worms must be destroyed, or the Zerg reinforcements will overwhelm us.
Zeratul has destroyed their works. Press on.
My allegiance is yours. Glory to the Firstborn. Command. Be thy bidding. You address me. I will. The Queen of Blades seeks to pervert this world with that hatchery. I must destroy it. You address me. Zakmak, thy burdens my call. We must not hesitate. I my burdens weigh heavily. You are one. Shozak. It is done. All of Kerrigan's hatcheries are destroyed. There is yet hope for this world.
You require my skills.
The final piece of the prophecy. It speaks of one who shall break the cycle of the gods.
Most ominous. But if the Queen of Blades seeks this prophecy, we must keep it from her.
The rest is obscured. What?
You might peel away the prophecy's layers, Zeratul, but you cannot outrun the doom that awaits us all.
We cannot prevail against so many.
I will stand against the Queen of Blades while you escape with the fragments.
I will not abandon you.
The prophecy is more important than either of us. Reveal its secrets, Zeratul. The future rests on it.
Your sacrifice will not be forgotten, brother. You address me? I must get to the Void Seeker before the Zerg overwhelm me and the prophecy is lost. We must not hesitate. My allegiance is yours. Sukdash Salak.
Now, I shall become one with the Kala.
I must get to the Void Seeker and preserve the prophecy. I will not let my brother's sacrifice be in vain. My allegiance is yours. I cannot decipher the fragments on my own, yet I know who might interpret them. The preservers of Zakul. If they cannot, I fear this entire universe will burn.